Something dice, bro.
Help the chicken pass. The trick is.
So you have to go through all of them, but you can only go through all of them once.
Oh,
So you can't go back on really fast.
Reset that. God damn it.
Is it your phone vibrating or am I hearing things?
My phone is not vibrating. That's scary.
You gotta find the one to tick on that, like, has like very few limited routes.
Fucking fair. On Beanie. Yes, Beanie.
Man like Boons.
I was on Beanie to win, man.
Right.
Shit.
Monkey, pen, glove.
Someone's got a glove on, haven't they? Oh, swear. Sad.
That's rude. Oh, it's Mahjong.
I'm so shit at this.
Can be a maximum of 2 turn away from each other. What? So I can't do that and that. Right, oh I see. Okay.
Yeah, you're smashing it, man. Yeah, man, you're smashing it, man.
Thanks,
Yeah,
roll, yeah, roll. Come on,
Oh, you're
IQ,
out of time,
just
bro.
shoot up, bro. 150, 170 now. Dumb shit.
Da, 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 da.
You should be good at this.
I'm really bad at maths. Is that the
2.
timer?
Come on, you have 1 second.
59 minus 19 for Ebre. 3 times 5.
This orange guy is so clapped, bro.
Oh, shit. Oh, smash it. Oh, fuck. Oh, Gunter. Oh, 20. Oh, I don't associate with 57. Oh, cunt! 12 times 1. 68 minus 50. What do you mean, bro? Fucking 80. 55. Oh, I'm actually a dumb shit. Oh, fuck. I don't know how I won that. Oh, Flusterclicks.
Oh, that's rude. That's not very nice.
Booney. Fuck him up, Booney.
Adam at Beans.
Booney pipes, man. Booney definitely
Oh,
out.
okay. Okay, what's this? Oh, I gotta memorize it.
Oh, that's easy.
Beaker, egg, top, egg, closed. Is that it?
Oh my god.
Lord have mercy.
Almost overtaking me on IQ.
Okay, this is my game, bro. No, that goes on there, and that goes on there, that goes on there, that goes on. Wait, what am I doing? That was so easy. What was you stupid? Like work, bro.
Easy.
Oh, wait, that's you. I'm Panifac.
Did you do my go?
Nah,
Is that Foster Cook again?
nah, because I was 117 last time.
Oh yeah, true.
I should gain 3 IQ just remembering that.
I love Unblock Me Plus.
Yeah.
Unblock Me Light. Unblock Me Light. That's the real
We
one.
never could have won the real person.
Wait, where are we going? Oh. Fucking blind. You can't move them. I understood that.
Know your lane, bro.
So I can't.
There's lines that you can move through.
I can't see these lines.
Oh, maybe it's not lines. Oh, there are lines.
What the fuck?
That's a horizontal
GG,
one. That's
GG
a vertical. Oh my god.
Booney, take the win.
He's losing IQ also now.
Booney with the reverse cowgirl shot.
How was I far behind? Oh no. How many can you take? Oh, that will kill these, won't it?
If that was peak.
Oh wait, I don't know how to do this. You take one of these guys back. Then you take...
What? Why don't you just take the two good, the two evil ones over? Oh, you have to take chickens back. Oh.
Oh wait. I'll take both of them back. Come on, it's the clicks that's getting me.
Yeah, it's the clicks.
Bring one boy back. Take 2 of these guys. Bring one of these back. Come on, I got this, oh wait, I can't take, oh wait, I haven't got this. Oh maybe I haven't got this. Oh, I just clocked it as well. Oh, bonked it, bro. Lost 6 IQ.
I'm really shit at this kind of thing.
No, this one's really easy.
Are you fucking blind? Are you fucking blind?
Restart. You can't win this one. You had it right though. You're literally 3 moves away from winning.
You fucking... Nah, bro. Oh. Oh, sad. What?
You're 2 moves away.
I'm actually dumb shit. I don't know how to do this. Bernie with the 69.
Did he win? Oh wait, I think whoever's got the high score wins. Ah yes.
This is a naughty game. I like this one.
It's good, yeah. What have I done here? What have I done here?
How are you going to separate the bottom two?
Oh no. Made a grave mistake. Oh no. Hey, what the hell? Shit.
This is... I don't know how you do this.
What the hell? Take it or leave it. Oh wait.
Nah, yeah, do that again.
Ah. Ah, god damn it. Nice.
12 minutes. Come then. Oh, right, this is a long one.
So
Okay.
help you.
Yeah, no, not too much. Yeah, just a little bit. I'm ready to get across this. What's the
Ends.
word?
Engines. You can do ends. Engines there. Goodbye. That's all. Inform. Informs. Layout. Oh, yeah, layout. Ourselves. Installed. Behind.
How do I go down to 160?
Okay.
Come on, I need to win.
Oh,
I don't get
I need to
another.
-2. Oh, come on, guys.
Bullshit. Booney should win.
Yeah, Bruni for president.
Booney for my dad.
They still beat you.
So Booney.
It is quite difficult.
It's my dad. Booney.
Can we put this online?
I know you're watching, Booney. And to you.
I'll kill ya.
I'll kill you.
I'll kill ya. You've made it. Hi, Dad. I'll burn ya.
For all day. Booney. Hit me up, yeah. It's been a while. Fucking.
He hangs down, bro. Oh shit.
Sex relations.
That's heartbreaking. Times on myself as well.
Oh, I thought you were about to lose to the clusterfuck that is called.
Shit. Shit.
You can't do it.
No!
Is it hard?
Oh.
115.